this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this joy fold card with the Sweet Candy Canes bundle, which is part of the Sweetest Christmas suite. Here is my fun joy fold candy cane card. Got a magnet on there and then a little stamped area inside where you can write your message. This is on page 8 and 9 of the holiday catalog. Beautiful samples. And then we've got the two bundles, ribbon, sequins, glimmer paper, and designer series paper. So I just wanted to point out that on the designer series paper, you can cut out these candy canes with the dies. And then it has lots of stripes and other candy cane paper that's really fun as well. So I started off with a piece of sweet sorbet and I have folded it in half and then in half again. And then I've got some of the designer series paper. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4. And the other piece is 4 by 2 1/2. So I'm just going to attach these to the card. I love having coordinating paper and colors. It really makes creating cards easier and more fun. Okay, the next card I have is a little card, and this one measures 3 by 8 1/2, folded in half. And this one I'm just gonna tuck right here. And then I'm gonna add this little piece of candy cane DSP that's 2 3/4 by 4 to the front of the little card. So this is the basics of how a joy fold card works. There's several different variations. This one is another variation where instead of cutting this bottom part off, I folded it so that if you want to, you can stand the card up. Otherwise, if it wasn't and it was just like this, then you could stand the card up this way if you're going this way, but you can't if you're going the other way. So I have a little piece for the inside, and then I've cut out the largest stylish shaped circle, and I've cut one of the candy canes from the designer series paper. So I'm gonna add these with dimensionals. Okay, so now for the stamping, I'm going to stamp the little banner, back and forth banner in Flirty Flamingo. Kind of fun Christmas colors to do Flirty Flamingo and Sweet Sorbet. And I'm gonna stamp Seasons Greetings. So we'll do Seasons Greetings. I'm just going to stamp the inside of the card with some fun little leaves here. So I'm going to do this one in Garden Green. And then for this one, I'm going to stamp off so that it's lighter. Just do some on either side. And then we'll use crumb cake for the little stem of berries. And back to Sweet Sorbet for the berries. Add a pop of color in there. Right, so now I can add this to the inside of the card. And now I'm going to add a magnet to the front of the card. So these are magnetic discs. These are the large ones by Basic Gray, Grey. I got them on Amazon. They go in and out of stock, so you just have to hopefully catch it when it's in stock. Don't forget to remove this piece. Otherwise, you're gonna have a really hard time getting these magnets out, as I have discovered. And they will snap together. They're strong, but not as strong as the Stamparatus magnets. That would be way too strong. So you just put them together, stick them to one side. This is probably larger than I need, but I have a ton of these large magnets, so I'm gonna use them up. And then just stick to the other side, and then to pull these, don't pull it apart, ooh, this isn't coming. So sliding apart works the best. Pulling is harder, but sliding is easier. Okay, so now let's finish decorating by cutting this out. So when you're putting the die on, it should match exactly. So you see how this is not matching exactly? So it goes the other way. And then you'll see it will match exactly. And you'll see that everything is going to be trimmed nicely. I'm gonna tuck that under here. Probably should have scooted it over because now it's over the seasons. So I'm just gonna have to play it off and put that right there. And now I'm just gonna add some of the cutout pieces. So I have some of these, some of these, some of this. This is all from the Christmas banners dies. And then if you want, you can do some of these. I just cut out a whole bunch, so. So when you're placing these on, you want to make sure you stay below this line so that when you open this, you're not folding any of these. So just a little reminder. Okay, a couple fun embellishments. So we're going to use some of the seasonal sequins. So we can definitely, what are we going to do? I'm going to add one up here. And then I'll put two over here. And I thought it would be fun to also add a little bit of Wink of Stella to the branches. Make it look like they have a little bit of snow on them. And I think I'm gonna add a bow on this one to maybe balance it out a little bit since it's kind of lopsided. Maybe add it down there. And there we go. There's our Joyfold card. Ooh, it's nice and magnetized. And I've made several in several different colors, so I wanted to show you how fun this is. So this is in Real Red, and another one in Real Red, but with different designer series paper and a different candy cane. And then we've got one in Garden Green. And then this is part of my card class. When you purchase either bundle, you will get supplies for these 3 designs, 6 cards total. Just remember to use my current host code, and please email me and let me know that you would like this kit. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial with cards from the Sweetest Christmas suite. It's one of my favorite suites in the mini catalog, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live and share more video tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.